Hi everyone, here's Abdul, and today we have another video. As you all know, I have a German video on Wednesdays, English video on Friday, and another English video on Saturday. If you have any suggestions to change the format, to add a language, to add a video maybe per week, or to even remove a video per week, please leave in the comment below. Every suggestion is welcomed. So this video is basically a experimental video. If you didn't watch my interview with Jan, the master watchmaker in my city, it's in German. Please do go watch it. I think I'll link it here. And yeah, he gave me this clock, this old clock that's not working, as you can see. The hands are working, but somehow the you cannot wind, or oh yeah, you can wind the watch, but it doesn't tick. So he gave me this and told me, yeah, why not open it up and see how it works, and even try to figure out if you can fix it. So if you like this kind of content, please do subscribe. It does help a lot. Also leave a like, really helps also as well. And going to it. So I have here a couple of tools. I have no idea if they are the ones that I need, but at least I have them here in front of me. This one as well. So let's open up the case from the back. Put the screws here. That's why I like this this rubber mat, because you have a place to put screws and stuff like this. Yeah, I think I have to maybe, yeah, I think we have to open also these screws as well. Why I like also to do this, so we get everything out. Maybe I have to do it on the other side. Yes. These old mechanisms are pretty fun because they are very rudimentary. So basically, with a little bit of critical thinking, you would be able to understand how to at least take off the parts. You can see I'm taking it off. Here we go. Here we go. And as you can see, here's the back. Here's the mechanism. A lot of dust inside, as you can see. Maybe I have to get the duster. Just a second. So with the duster, you can take all this dust out. Maybe outside of the frame. Even if I cannot fix it, it's just interesting to open and see, I guess, inside. So you can see inside, I'm trying to, here we go. Trying to read what's on the movement. It's pretty hard to read it. You have here some kind of golden metallic base plate. You have here the on off of the, you can see also here. So if you put this like this, you can know that this is the winding mechanism for the alarm. This is the on off, and this is winding mechanism for on normally. This is the on off here. That's the one. And that's the winding mechanism. Here is the spiral that conserves the energy then that the clock will use. Now we go to the next step. I think the next step is to take these small heads, screw heads. I have no idea if I can actually do it with. No, these are too soft. I really need a harder somehow tool to be able to take these nuts. Yeah, take these nuts off. This nuts, because the bolt is going through the case. Trying to figure out if there is a way to here it is. That's the way I was talking about. To try to push that out somehow. Yeah. Now. Yeah, that's. I think I might have to get some other tools. Just a second. So I got this tool to try to move this. Yeah, here we go. Now I'll use this one. Put it in here. Put these two back here. Actually, it's just all in the back, front. Have to do this for all these nuts as well. I actually had a lot of plans to make watch projects, but due to work, oh, that's pretty hard. I really need like a small how do you call it, small tool that takes these, because this one, well, maybe I have to just perpendicularly exert some force on it and hope for the best. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Perpendicular force, and yeah, here we go. The whole idea from this exercise is just to open it up and to give you an idea of how older clocks like these work. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah. Perfect. So as you can see, take all these four out. Oh, did you hear that? Did you see that? The spring just wounded itself. That means it was already wound. So it was. So as you can see, that's the spiral. I think that's the spiral for the alarm. Yeah. Maybe I have to take this part off first. This part, which is already connected to the spiral. So I hope you can see this. Yes. Here you go. That's the spiral I was talking about. Next, you can see all these gears that I just demolished, let's say, because I have no idea now how the gears go. So for me, this is more or less a just a demounting exercise. Take this out. This out. This out. and also this. Then we have this. As you can see, you have these very bolts and nuts here, or long nut. And you have here the main gear. So as you can see, if you move the main gear, you move the time. So I think this is for the alarm, and as I said, this is to open or close the alarm, and this is the main spring for the watch, for the clock. And you have this is the first gear that transfers the power from the spring to other gears that just fit exactly with each other. And then, and you can see here, when this moves, this one moves, and then you have time. Yes, this is connected then to the hands in the back, and it would be very interesting to see how do we open more of this clock. Yeah, what I was saying is I actually had plans to make a couple of quartz watches and vintage watches, but I got swamped with a lot of work in the past couple of months, so I wasn't able to do a lot of stuff in my free time. As you all know, it's demanding to be making such a watch creation, but like I said, be sure to I'm trying to get this out. Yes, here we go. And now I think I actually can get the whole movement out, or the base of the movement at least. No, get back in, no, okay, shit. Now I have to find a way to break all this stuff, put them back, or at least try to put them back together. If not, I'll just put them in the box. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this clock, I hope I can answer. If you have actually answers about this clock, if you know this brand, if you know this type, I think it's called Peter. This was from a company in Rottweil here in the Black Forest, like around 80 kilometers from where I live. So thanks again, Jan, for giving me the watch to pick out and take out the parts in it. And yeah, I hope I'll make another video with putting it back together. If I didn't, then you know that I weren't able to. And it's a good thing to know what you can and what you can't do. And until now, these intricate, complicated gears, putting them together without any kind of instruction manual or without previous training is a bit hard. I'll try my best, but I don't think I will be able to put it back together. But that's learning, yeah. That's the best thing about learning, and one of my favorite things is to have a beginner's mentality in everything you learn in. Because beginner's mentality, you go inside with zero knowledge, so you're open to learning instead of going inside with a decent amount of knowledge where you have to unlearn and then learn again. Anyways, thank you so much for staying with me all this long, taking up the watch. If you did, there are a couple of links here on the left, on the right, and the subscribe button here. And thanks again for watching. Hopefully see you in the next one as well. Have a great one. Bye bye.